Hi, welcome back to Arif, a way for searching knowledge. Today we are going to learn some of the basic problems on this curve of opposition. So let's move on to it. First question. In this type of statement, if one proposition is true, the other will be false. But if one is false, other will be doubtful. Okay, they have option contradictory, subcontrary, subordination and contrary statement. So I'm just drawing the square box here. I'm marking A, E, I and O here. And we want to check all the four statements here. Okay, so I'm just check the first statement, that is contradictory relation. Okay, you know, on the contradictory relation, if one is true, other will be false, and if one is false, other will be true, and one is undetermined, the other will undetermined. So you can see that that's not from contradictory statement. Okay, so I'm just moving toward the next statement, that is contrary statement. You know, the contrary statement is between A and E. You want to remember all the four statements here. So, its rules. What its rule says? Both cannot be true at the same time, but both can be false. Both cannot be true. One is true, the other will be false. One is false, other will be doubtful. Okay, from this itself we can say that it's from contrary statement. So here the answer is contrary statement. So we are moving toward the next question. Second question is, both cannot be true at the same time, but both can be false at the same time. If you remember the rules of each, you can solve the question easily. So, you know that it's not from contradictory, you know, because if one is true, other will be false. If one is false, other will be true here. So, you know that. So, when we check the next, that is contrary statement between A and E, what its rule says? Both cannot be true at the same time, but both can be false. Its rule itself says this line. So that's from contrary statement. Here also the correct answer is contrary statement. Okay. So I'm going to next. Third question. Both cannot be false at the same time, but both can be true at the same time. In which kind of statement is this? Here they have four options. So you just draw the square box here. A, E, I, O. You marked all this. So we are checking the contradictory relation is between A, O and E, I. So one is true, other will be false. One is false, other will true. Okay. So that's not. Then we are checking the other statement, that is contrary statement. What says in the contrary statement? Both cannot be true at the same time, but both can be false. But what here says? Both cannot be false at the same time, but both can be true. That's opposite of contrary statement. Contrary statement says that if one is true, other will false, and if one is false, other will doubtful. So, here itself we can see that it's opposite of contrary statement. The opposite of contrary statement is sub-contrary statement, not opposite, sub to the contrary statement. Okay, so the answer is sub-contrary statement. what the subcontrary statement says? Yes. If one is false, the other will true, but if one is true, the other will doubtful. Okay, so from this rule itself we can say that it's subcontrary statement. Okay, here you remember that when we solve this kind of question, you want to remember one thing for to solve this. Okay, here the relation between A and E is if one is true, the other is false, but if one is false, other is doubtful. Like that, here if one is false, other will true, one is true, other will doubtful. So you just remember this just an opposite. So you just remember this. Okay. So we are moving toward the next question. Here the answer is subcontrary. Okay. So we are moving toward the next. So next question. Both the statement can neither true nor false at the same time. You just draw this and mark A, E, I, O here. Okay. What the statement says? Both statement can neither true nor false at the same time. When we check the contrary statement, it says that both cannot be true at the same time, but both can be false. At the same time, both can be false. Okay, then we are moving toward the next. Subcontrary statement. What it says? Both cannot be false at the same time, but both can be true. Okay, same time it became true. So, then we are moving toward the subordination statement. What the statement says? If the bottom is false, the top also will be false. If this top is true, then it moves toward true. So here you can see both the statement can neither true nor false at the same time. At the same time, it not became false or true. This all three you can see both became false, true, like that. So that's from contradictory statement. Under contradictory statement, if one is true, other is false. If one is false, other is true. There is not true at the same time here. So we can say that that's from contradictory statement. Here the answer is contradictory statement. Okay. So we are moving toward the next. Fifth question. If the universal is true, then the particular will be. If, I'm just drawing here also the same picture, A, E, I, O. If the universal is true, here, if A is true, then the particular will be, the subalternation. What its rule says? If the universal proposition is true, then the particular proposition also will be true. Okay, so here the answer is true. So we are moving toward the next. Sixth question. If the particular is false, universal will be. I'm also drawing the same picture here also. A, E, I and O. So what it says, if the particular is false, if here is false, the universal will be, you know, the subalternation. What in the subalternation says? If the particular is false, it will move toward the universal proposition. Okay. So, if the particular is false, the universal also will be false here. In other words, we can say that if in the universal proposition is true, here also it moved towards the particular. Okay. So you want to remember this both rules under subalternation. Okay. So here the answer is false. Then we are moving toward the next question. Some students are sincere is an example of which proposition? This is from 2019 December question, okay? So you want to look this kind of question. So what it says? Some students are sincere is an example of which proposition? When we draw the same square box here also, A, E, I, O. Some students, well, the some students will come here. Okay. Just, it will come here. Okay. If some students are sincere is an example of which proposition? Which proposition? You know? Here all, here no, here some, and here some not. Okay. So, and you also know that this is universal. Above the line is universal proposition and the below the line is particular proposition. And also one more thing, you know, this statement are positive statement and this side is negative statement. So, some students are sincere is come here. So, it became particular affirmative. You know that. Instead of positive, we are using here affirmative. So, that is particular affirmative is the correct answer. Okay. So, we are moving toward the next question. 8th question. All the students cleared their examination and few students did not clear the examination. This is an instant of. So, just draw A, E, I and O here. All the students cleared their examination. All the students, where it come? Yes, it's an all statement. That will come here. Okay. All the students cleared their examination and few students did not clear their examination. Few students means some not. Okay. Here you can see few. In other words, we can see it's some. Okay. Some and also here not. So, that is between this both. You know, the relation between A and O is, yeah, that is contradictory relation. Okay. So, we can move toward the next question, 9th question. In which type of statement, if one proposition is false, the other will be true, but if one is true, the other will be doubtful. Okay. Once more, in which type of statement, if one proposition is false, the other will be true, but if one is true, the other will be doubtful. So, I am just drawing the picture here also. A, E, I and O. If one proposition is false, the other will be true. If one proposition is false, other will be true. Here you can check if one is true. This is between the contrary relation. Okay, we are just trying to check this all. So if one is true, other will be false. If one is false, other will be true. Other will be doubtful here. Okay, so that's not. If one is false, other will be doubtful here. So from itself, we can see that it's opposite of contrary statement. So when I am checking the below statement, that is subcontrary statement. Okay, I'm just checking that. So here what it says, if one is false, other will be true. If one is true, the other will be doubtful here. Okay, doubtful. So from this itself, we can see that it's from subcontrary statement. Okay, what it's once more. Here you can see, if one is false, other will be true. If one is true, other will be doubtful. Okay, so that's from subcontrary statement. So we are moving toward the last question, 10th question. In which statement one is undetermined, the other also will undetermined? I'm drawing the square box just like square box. It's not actually square box. Okay, then A, E, I and O. My drawing is so weak. Okay, then in which statement one is undetermined, the other will be undetermined? You know, we are checking the contradictory relation first. If one is true, other will false. Which one is true, one is false, other will true. Another one more rule is if one is undetermined, the other will also undetermined. So we can see that it's from contradictory statement. Okay, I think now it's clear for you all the basics. So we will come soon with some other questions. Okay, if you like my videos, subscribe and share. Have a good day ahead.